All right, when we're setting up our 5V valley, we'll do the following steps. So we'll go ahead and do our drip edge, our code approved underlayment, and then we can go ahead and take our 5V valley. We can go ahead and cut this out if we need to. We just need to make sure that the entire width of the valley is overhanging 3/4 of an inch from our drip edge. So if we decide to do it this way, we can go ahead and put our fasteners, our washer fasteners on either side every 2 feet. Now if we want to, go ahead and do a valley extension, where I can make this out of my flat stock. You can see we just bent this like so, and we can go ahead and place this, and this way only the stone coat is going to be showing. So we go ahead and put this one down, go ahead and do 2 rows of caulking, and then go ahead and slide our 5V valley into that channel. And now the only thing you're going to see is the stone coat. Then we go ahead and do our washer screw and put them on the outside. Every 2 feet. And then we can go ahead and bring our gutter riser and bring it flush with my drip edge and all the way to my valley edge.